Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, September 26th. We continue with the meditative reflections from the Book of Awakening by Martin Paul. Today's essay is titled Burning Our Way Out. The soul hovers like a sun within, burning its way out without ever leaving center. We call this the burning out passion. From where does our passion come? It's not taught, it's only allowed through or not. When resisted, it carves out the heart daily. When allowed to, it rises and swells and almost drowns us with its heat. Yet somehow, the steady tending of its release, not stopping it and not drowning in it, the steady, tender humility of holding our lips open to the rush of inner light, letting the vibrancy of all feeling rush by our open mouth. This is the rhythm of grace. This is the source of all song. Despite gravity, against gravity, in counterpoint to the weight of the world, a glowing heart that can be blocked but not contained emanates through all being as love, thought, longing, and peace. When letting the vibrancy through, we open the common heart that lives beneath all human longing, and the fire at the core being begins to rise. The rising force is what I live for. It's what keeps me alive. If I were a dancer, I would only try to scribe this endless rising against the sky over and over, giving it away and away. Oh, the heart, like a whale, has no choice but to surface, or we die. And having surfaced, we all must die, or we die. And modern books of flowers or thoughtful gifts that show I know you. The dearest thing I can give is to surface with the sheen of my spirit before you. And so I look for the truest friendship, watching the deep for spirit, the surface all wet with salt. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now feel the vibrant glow at the core of who you are. Breathe steadily and let this passion rise in you with no aim or intent. How does that feel? Breathing slowly, gently. Begin to feel the passion of yours, this heat of passion, and look at the simple things around. What are they? How does it feel to look at those things with passion? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Continue to look at the simple things around you with passion. As always, enjoy your discoveries along the way. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you